I can't see what I'm doing.
Hello, right, another video, brake lines on the BMW. These are, well, I'm going to use this to make replacements for the rear trailing arms because they were picked up on the MOT as being corroded. So what I'm going to do is get them apart, get them off, make some, because I refuse to spend 80 quid for the two on the rears, even though all this cost me 60 quid. So realistically, I need these anyway because I've got to build all the lines for the Nissan, so it's not too much of a problem. But yeah, so what we're going to do is take the old ones off the trailing arms, make these as close to identical as we can, and then fit the braided brake lines as well that we have for the calipers and the braided line that goes between the subframe and the trailing arm. So we'll replace all of that. But what I'm going to do is go get the car up in the air. Right, so caliper, replacing this hose. This line seems okay, but I'm going to replace it anyway. And then the hose, that hose there goes up to this. Now this is a line that looks crossed there, so by the looks of it, it goes all the way across top of the subframe. It's all clipped in on the chassis, and it goes over there. So let's go around there and have a little look. Right, so the looks of it, that's quite crusty. Mind you, so is the fuel line, to be honest with you. Yeah, so that one there goes up through the middle, along here, down into that T-piece. See, that's your feed line, goes to the front, one on the left, and then that little rubber goes to this brake line. It comes up, comes up same as this side, so I've got 4 to get out. Ugh. So let's see if I can start cracking nuts, if not, uh-oh. Right, spray these up. Cameras in the way. See if these trusty boys will get me through. Oh, you beauty coming up. That one, what? Come on, you bastard. Yo. On that. I think that slipped. Cool, that is crusty ball.
11. Might be a 10. That is 11. I really don't want to cut this one. It's moving loads, mate. I think the problem is, see on there, not around it. I think what I need to do is flatten that off. So it's got more engagement in the actual faces. Because it seems to only be like on half the nut face. So I'm going to go do that. So that's what it was like. That's what I've done. So now the teeth engagement is immediate. There's not like a bevel. So see if that makes any difference. Am I going the right way? No, I'm not. Oh, I was going the right way. Boom. What happened there? Oh, it came undone, brother. Fucking beautiful. Right, change plan. I'm not replacing the brake lines. They're crusty because I can't get this one undone and I can't get these undone because I can't get enough purchase on it with the amount of space that I actually have. Obviously this brake line here, there's plenty of room up here to get out. Although it's a bit crusty, it's still solid. So I'm not too fussed about it. Hopefully we can get through an MOT, but I've got to take the subframe out, which I don't see the fucking point in taking it out now and then putting it back in and then taking it back out to replace subframe bushes. And I've got to replace these little bollock looking things as well. So my idea is to fuck that off. I can't get this one undone, which means I can't replace this hose, which is annoying because I would like to. Managed to get that one undone, but I've done it back up now because it was seeping. But this bad boy here, oh, got that one undone. This one here, and I got that undone. So I'm going to replace this hose, and then we'll re-bleed the brakes, get all the dirty old fluid out of it. Hopefully I can get these nipples undone without them breaking. I might do the old socket, just a twonk, you know, just to get it going. 6-sided socket. See what happens. Please don't break. But yeah. For the time being, this has been a fail. But let's get the brake line, this rubber hose replaced because it is not in the best condition. Right, so I got that out. Look at the fucking pond water that's in it. up most of it down here. It's very, 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 very cooked. So let's get a new one and get that in. Right, that one's in. Buttoned up. I just need to check that I've done that back up properly or enough, and then we'll do the upside quick. Okay, so new line in on both sides. We've got the, if you can see through there, the pressure bleeder. It's out. It's pumped up. I'll leave that for a bit. See the bubbles coming back. Any bubbles in there, get them out. It's just the air coming out of that. Yeah, so give it a couple of pumps on the brake, get all the fluid back to the calipers, and then see if I can crack them nipples off. Wish me luck. I'm in shock, to be honest. That came out quite well. Just dumping all the old oil back into it now. So, see what happens. Just let that fucking run for a bit until it goes clear. Just filling up. In fact, I'll lock that. Just check the pressure quick. Right. So, hasn't gone well, has it? To be honest. They all bled up. All fresh oil all the way to the back to the calipers now, because it was like pond water before. You see the previous video where I fitted the big boy front brakes. But what can I say? What a pain in the arse. I think what I'll have to do is what I didn't really want to do, but I did, but I didn't want to do it yet, is buy a the quick jacks to make life easier, so I can get the car up high enough so I can get the subframe out. I can't do it on axle stands and jacks, which obviously it goes one either side on the chassis rail, and then just, and it comes up to that bit there will be here basically. So I'll gain 250mm leased, which would be spot on, to be honest with you. Make all work easier on the car, gearbox changes. If obviously if I can't turbo it with the auto like I want, I've got to go manual, then there's gonna be a lot of work under the car. Obviously I wanted to replace all the subframe bushes and stuff like that anyway. Them little like ball sack drumstick things need replacing. Put maybe a slightly larger arb in it. New exhaust system, because this one is, for lack of a better word, shite. So other than that, we'll get it going. Thank you for watching. Me being an idiot for 15 minutes, or however long this video is going to be, and I'll see you in the next one.